Buongiorno and welcome to Tavola, where we're about to bake the black bread of Castelvetrano, made of tumenia wheat introduced to the island by the Greeks 3,000 years ago. In our wood-burning ovens made without yeast with a sourdough starter. Come inside, come and see. And welcome to Tavola, where our inspiration for cooking is based on Italian farmhouse cooking. As referred to in Italy, slow food. We're about to bake the black bread of Castelvetrano, which is made with the heritage wheat that was introduced to the island of Sicily by the Greeks 3,000 years ago. I import this flour as well as the olive oil from the region made out of the Castelvetrano olive. This wheat is milled by stone in one particular side of the island, and we're about to make the black bread, as you can see, the way it was done for hundreds of years without yeast, made with a sourdough starter, and all handcrafted and baked in a wood-burning oven. That burns on both olive wood and American white oak. Is our choice of wood for this application. There's nothing more exciting than putting bread in the oven and seeing it come out. Ah, wonderful. The smell of the meat, it's just fantastic. The timing of the bread is probably the most important part. It's important to get every facet correct in order for this bread to come out the way it should. So now we wait 45 minutes and we'll come back and we'll pull our bread out of the oven. The bread is ready and it looks just perfect. Nice caramelization. Hence the black bread of Castelvetrano. Just fantastic. The joy of making bread never ceases to amaze me. It always gives me a thrill, no matter how many times I do it, over and over again, just seeing that color, seeing how just spectacular it is. Beautiful, scored, colorful batards. This is the perfect batch of bread. I'm so glad that you could be here today to see this with us. Thank you for joining us today here at Tavola, baking the black bread of Castelvetrano, made from tumenia wheat, slow food, made as it was done in farmhouses in Sicily for hundreds of years. Arrivederci, ciao.